The idea of building a true home theater used to mean huge televisions, complicated wiring, and spending a lot of money on separate equipment. But modern projector technology has completely changed that experience. Today we're looking at a premium entertainment setup built around the VisionMaster Pro2 Triple Laser Projector 4K, combined with a massive 120-inch PureVision motorized projector screen and a ceiling mount conversion kit designed to turn almost any room into a cinematic viewing space. One of the first things that stands out about this setup is that it feels like a complete solution instead of just another gadget. The projector, screen, and mounting system work together to create a clean and professional home theater environment. Rather than searching for separate components, everything needed for a large screen viewing experience comes in one integrated bundle. At the center of the system is the VisionMaster Pro2 projector itself. This device uses advanced triple laser projection technology, which separates the red, green, and blue light sources to create incredibly accurate colors. Compared to traditional lamp-based projectors, this approach produces richer tones, deeper contrast, and a more vibrant image that brings movies and shows to life. Another major highlight is the native 4K resolution. When projecting onto a screen as large as 120 inches, maintaining image detail becomes extremely important. With 4K clarity, the projector delivers sharp textures, crisp edges, and impressive depth across the entire screen. Whether you are streaming movies, watching live sports, or playing video games, the visual quality remains clean and immersive. The included PureVision motorized projector screen adds a level of convenience that many home theater setups are missing. Instead of permanently installing a large display on the wall, the screen lowers smoothly when it's time to watch something and retracts when it's not needed. This design keeps the room looking minimal while still offering a massive viewing surface whenever entertainment begins. Projector screens also play a significant role in how images appear. A dedicated screen like the PureVision model helps distribute light evenly and maintain accurate colors across the entire surface. That means the projector's brightness and color performance can truly shine instead of being reduced by uneven walls or reflections. Brightness performance is another strong advantage of this projector. Many older projectors struggle when there is even a small amount of ambient light in the room. The VisionMaster Pro 2 is designed to handle real living room environments, delivering strong brightness levels that keep the image clear even when the room isn't completely dark. The ceiling mount conversion kit included with the bundle makes installation more flexible as well. Mounting the projector above the viewing area helps keep the setup clean and organized. It also ensures the projector stays perfectly aligned with the screen for a more professional look and a consistent viewing angle. Once the system is installed, the difference in viewing experience is immediately noticeable. A 120-inch screen fills a large portion of your field of vision, making movies feel more dramatic and sports broadcasts feel more engaging. Even casual streaming content becomes more exciting when displayed at this scale. Another benefit of triple laser projection technology is longevity. Traditional projectors often rely on bulbs that gradually dim and require replacement over time. Laser light sources typically maintain brightness for many years, reducing maintenance while keeping the picture quality stable. Connectivity also plays an important role in modern home entertainment systems. The VisionMaster Pro 2 is designed to work easily with streaming devices, gaming consoles, laptops, and other media sources. Switching between content platforms is quick and convenient, allowing the projector to act as the central hub for movies, shows, and gaming. For people who enjoy hosting movie nights, watching sports with friends, or simply relaxing with high-quality visuals, a large projection setup like this can transform the atmosphere of a room. The combination of a massive screen and 4K laser projection creates a level of immersion that traditional televisions often struggle to match. Another interesting aspect is how versatile projector setups have become. They can be used for movies, streaming services, gaming, presentations, or even outdoor movie nights depending on the environment. This flexibility makes them appealing for both entertainment enthusiasts and tech lovers who want something more dynamic than a standard TV. The overall experience provided by this bundle is designed to simplify the process of building a premium home cinema. Instead of researching multiple products separately, This package combines the core elements needed to create a large screen viewing system with minimal effort. For anyone considering upgrading their entertainment space, this type of projector setup offers a powerful mix of size, image quality, and convenience. The massive display creates a cinematic atmosphere, while the triple laser 4K projection ensures that every frame appears detailed and vibrant. If you're interested in exploring this system further, the purchase link is available in the description where you can check the latest pricing and additional product details.